one and all, and children of all ages to Ninja Chefs. Today, you guys will become Ninja Chefs and little Ninja Chefs, because we will be making reindeer pancakes. No, it's not real reindeer, silly. Watch this video and we will have fun creating them. We're also going to make Snowman and Snowwoman pancakes. And in our Fast and Furious segment, we will be making hot cocoa ×2. We came across a recipe from Santa Claus, and we are also going to treat you with a hot cocoa Ninja Chef style. Super easy and delicious that you guys would drink and eat and enjoy. And stick around for our Ninja Chefs tip of the day. We like to thank all of our subscribers. If you haven't done so already, subscribe to our Ninja Chef YouTube channel. Turn on the bell to be notified of newly released videos. Give us a like, comment, and share. Here's our special holiday edition Christmas intro. You need simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. We are saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen. No problem. The ingredients you need are very simple. Here at Ninja Chef, we make everything easy for you so you'll have time to eat and enjoy. Don't worry about writing anything down. All the equipment and ingredients are written for you down below. Just click on Show More. Set all the ingredients on the table so the children can help themselves in creating their unique reindeer pancakes and snowman and snowwoman pancakes. Let me show you how easy it is to make reindeer pancakes Ninja Chef style. First, let's start with cooking the bacon. Here at Ninja Chef, we have a griddle. If you don't have a griddle, you can also use a skillet. What do you use to cook bacon? Turn on the griddle to high and spray non-stick cooking spray. While the griddle is heating, start heating your pancakes in your toaster oven. No need to make pancakes from scratch or buy pancake mix. We'd rather buy the pancakes pre-made. The process is already done for us. They taste just as delicious, but we leave it up to you. Let us know if you make the pancakes from scratch or buy pancake mix, or rather buy them pre-made. Okay, pancakes are done Ninja Chef style. Let's go back and cook the bacon. Bacon is done. Set on the table. We are ready to call in the kids. Kids, come on over! The pancakes are the reindeer's face. The bacon are the reindeer's antlers. Marshmallow M&Ms for decorations. That is awesome! M&Ms for the eyes. Nice. Pink frosting for a girl reindeer. Blueberry for the nose. White frosting for a boy reindeer. Great job, little Ninja Chefs, with your boy reindeer pancake. Your girl reindeer pancake looks great. Great job too. Yay! Nice touch using the pink frosting for the lips of the girl reindeer pancake. Rudolph is here. He loves your pancakes, you guys. Yay! Look at this one. Yay! He loves them both. Go, little Ninja Chefs. Time for the snowman pancakes. Pancakes for the body. Bacon for the scarf. Marshmallows for the buttons. Nice. ahead and make another one.
Sprinkles for decoration. Awesome! Little Ninja Chefs, how else can you make a snowman pancake? Bananas for the eyes. Oh, Snowwoman pancake. Blueberries for the mouth. And the buttons. Nice job. Let it snow. Excellent. Thank you, little Ninja Chefs. We just love our little Ninja Chefs. Let us know if your kids had fun creating different Christmas pancakes. Did your kids become little Ninja Chefs today? Go, little Ninja Chefs! We hope you guys have noticed throughout the video my little Ninja Chefs Christmas drawings. What talent! Do you have Christmas drawings from your little Ninja Chefs? We love to know. Comment down below. Stay tuned for Hot Cocoa times 2. We are so glad you stayed for our Christmas Fast and Furious segment where we are going to show you how to make Santa's Hot Cocoa and Ninja Chefs Super Duper Hot Cocoa Fast and Furious Christmas style times 2. Let's get started with Santa's hot cocoa. You need simple cooking equipment that you already have in your kitchen. No need to go out and buy. We are saving you money. If you don't have these cooking equipment, it's okay. You can use what you have in your kitchen. No problem. The ingredients you need are very simple. Here in Ninja Chef, we make everything easy for you so you'll have time to eat and enjoy. Don't worry about writing anything down. All the equipment and ingredients are written for you down below. Just click on show more. So let's get started. Let's see what Santa has here for his Santa's hot cocoa. In a large pot, pour 1 cup of sugar. Then add 2/3 cup of cocoa. So that was 1/3. Let's add another 1/3, and this will equal 2/3 of cocoa. So we're really following Santa's hot cocoa recipe to the T. We're gonna go ahead and put in 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Time to add 8 cups of milk. Alright you guys, we're almost there. We're gonna go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract. Let's go ahead and whisk the ingredients fast and furious. Bring to a boil and reduce the temperature to low. Stir fast and furious. Alright, we have our Santa mug ready. With a ladle, let's pour Santa's hot cocoa in. Alright, Santa. Here we have it, you guys. Let's add some marshmallows. Wait. Let me give you some pie and a fork. Go, Santa. Alright, you guys. It's time for our Ninja Chefs Super Duper Hot Cocoa. The equipment you need are not much, but they are listed. Just click on show more.
and the ingredients needed are just a few. They are also listed under Show More. Here at Ninja Chefs, we want to make super duper hot cocoa super easy. So you drink and enjoy. Go Ninja Chefs! Alright you guys, here we go. Fast and furious. In a pot, go ahead and pour 4 cups of water. Add 2 cinnamon sticks. 1, 2. Cover the pot with a lid and turn it on till high. It's ready. It's up to a boil. It smells like cinnamon. Let's turn off the burner. And here is our Ninja Chef Christmas mug. Grab the tiniest scissors that you can find and go ahead and start cutting the instant hot cocoa mix envelope. Alright, it worked! Thank you, little scissors. So you guys, all you do is pour in the instant hot cocoa mix into our Ninja Chef Christmas mug, and we're going to add our cinnamon water. Now use your ladle and go ahead and add 4 ladles of the cinnamon water to the Ninja Chef Christmas mug. And instantly you have hot cocoa that is super delicious, nutritious, healthy, and you guessed it, inexpensive. And there we have it. Just whisk it and done. Fast and furious. Go Ninja Chefs. Let's add whipped cream, rainbow sprinkles. Let's not forget our marshmallows. Let me use my little scissors to open the Hershey bar. Let's grate a piece of Hershey bar with our little mini tiny grater. Go ahead and add the Hershey bar to it. It will taste awesome. Ninja Chefs guarantees it. Wait. Let me give you some cookies. You're so crazy. We did it! Ninja Chefs Super Duper Hot Cocoa Ninja Chef style. Hey you guys, let us know how it turns out for you. Make both. Your friends and family will love it. Hey, do you prefer Santa's hot cocoa or Ninja Chef's Super Duper Hot Cocoa Fast and Furious? Or maybe you prefer both. Happy holidays! Hey you guys, the tip of the day is next. Make a Christmas shopping list and don't forget to take it with you when you go shopping. Take a picture of your Christmas list so you don't lose it. Try to stick to your Christmas list and check it twice, just like Santa. Ninja Chefs wishing you all a Merry Christmas.
We wish you a